pair Samsung Galaxy Bud 3 Pro with iPhone or iPad. To do it so, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, what you have to do is you need to put the earbuds in Bluetooth pairing mode. Open up the case of your Samsung Galaxy Bud 3 Pro. Look for the Bluetooth pairing button at the bottom of the case. Case open, press and hold this button until you see the light start flashing in the red, green and the blue. This means your earbuds are ready to pair. After you've actually done it so, then you want to connect to your iPhone. So here, what you have to do is you simply want to go to your settings, tap on the Bluetooth mark, and once you do it so, make sure it's turned on. You'll see a list of nearby devices and look for Galaxy Bud 3 Pro or similar options. Once you locate it so, you simply want to click on it and then click on the connect button, and now you're all set to use. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.